This is the campaign showcase, the easiest way to put all of your campaigns on one page. You can add it as a block or with the campaign shortcode and style it to match your site. In the block editor, search for Campaign Showcase and drop it in. In the settings, choose how many columns and how many campaigns to show. Then pick a layout, a simple grid or rich cards, and the preview updates as you go. You can set the button style, the image height, even how the donation totals appear, all from right here. Want donors to give without leaving the page? Set the button to modal. Turn on Quick Donate to show preset amounts right on each card. Now, on the live page, one click opens the donation form in a pop-up with the amount already filled in. It is a smooth, familiar checkout, and because it stays on the page, your donor never loses their place. Badges add a sense of urgency. Show the time remaining, the funding status, the amount raised, or your number of donors. They sit right on each card so supporters can feel the momentum. Have a lot of campaigns? Turn on the search bar and the filters. Visitors can search by keyword, sort by newest or most funded, and filter by category. And it all happens instantly without ever reloading the page. It is a simple way to help supporters find the cause they care about, even across dozens of campaigns. Clear the filters and you are right back to the full showcase. Prefer a carousel? Switch the layout and your campaigns glide through on their own. Or keep the grid and turn on pagination, so a long list stays tidy with a load more button or numbered pages. Either way, it is a polished way to feature your very best campaigns. Not using blocks? Every option works as a shortcode too. Here is the same showcase written as the campaign shortcode, ready for any classic theme. It is also available as an Elementor Divi and WP Bakery widget. Finally, make it your own. The color, typography, and spacing controls restyle the buttons, text, and cards to fit your brand. And there is more to explore, from image height and descriptions to creator names and how totals appear. Every part of the showcase is yours to shape. For more charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.